Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to blur a face in CapCut. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now first up, just go ahead and upload your specific video. Now once done, tap on the blank space right here on your screen. Now in here below, just go ahead and select Effects. Okay, tap on it. Go ahead over to Video Effects. Now go ahead and go to the search bar and type in Blur. Okay. Once that's done, hit on Find. Now go ahead and tap and hold on Blur. Okay, tap and hold and make sure that it says here Added to Favorites. Now once that's done, hit on Cancel. Okay, as you can see here, it's now under Favorites. Now if you can't see it here, again tap on Video Effects. Here's the Favorites. Tap on Blur and tap on the check mark. There you have it. Now go ahead and tap on it and use this point right here to cover everything up, or depending on you where you wanted the blur to end. Now if you want to adjust the blur right here, just tap on it. You can go ahead and use any other blur effects. When you tap on the other blur effects, you'll be able to see adjust. You can go ahead and adjust the level of blur. Now for this example, we're just going to keep it as is. All right, so what we're going to do next is just tap on the video. Now in here, in the options, go ahead and select duplicate. There you go. Tap on it. Now we're going to tap on the duplicate video. Look for overlay. Okay. Just go ahead and look for overlay. Tap on it. There you go. It's done. So we're going to move it like so. Now go ahead and tap on the second video again. Look for mask, okay? Masking. There you go. Tap on it. Wait for it to load. Now in here, if you want to, you can go ahead and select circle, for example, a face. If you want it circle, go ahead and select circle. Okay. Now as you can see here, the circle is inside our face and the blur is outside. So how do we invert it? Here at the bottom right, just tap on invert. As you can see, you can make it bigger as well using these points right here. Now, if your object or the face is moving, let's just tap on plus sign right here or a check mark. Go ahead over to the start of the video, like so. As you can see, when we play it, it moved right and left. Okay, so in here, tap on the video. Now go ahead and use the keyframe right here. Tap on it. Let's move it a little bit, like here. Now go ahead and put a keyframe. Add mask. Here. Adjust the mask or the blur, like so. Now let's go ahead and move again. In here, tap on the video, keyframe, mask. Move the blur like so. So when we hit on play, as you can see, it's going to follow. And there you have it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.